guys, we are in the Tanzania near Muhimbili Hospital. This is famous in the whole Tanzania.
This is the biggest hospital in Tanzania, Muhimbili
Yes.
University and Hospital.
Yeah. So thank you for looking.
This is
our
like
videos.
you know AIMS, no?
Yes.
AIMS in India. This is same like AIMS in India.
Yes.
And
And
you
guys-
can see the rush here. The people are waiting for the buses.
And guys,
The
also-
students are here. The patients are here. They are waiting for the buses.
And guys, like, subscribe, and share.
We are only focusing on like, subscribe, and share.
Yeah, so we have to change it.
And now this is Upanga.
Thank you.
And now
you
you
for
can see
listening
this
our
is a
videos.
Bhutta in India. We say Bhutta. This is Simba supermarket, one of the biggest supermarket in this area. You can see here.
Yeah.
And we have to cross the road very carefully because the local drivers here, they are driving.
Little bit of crazy, yeah, little bit of crazy.
They are little bit of crazy.
Yeah.
Okay. You can see this is Swiss Tower and Simba supermarket is here. We are not going to supermarket. We are going in Mindu Street. This is just near the Simba supermarket. I will show you Mindu Street here. So now here we are near the Pan Loge. This is Indian shop and they are selling pan.
And near that, there is a shop of a
There is
t-shirt.
shop of classic fashion.
Yeah.
T-shirt and shirt you can buy it
But
from
we
here.
cannot buy because this is not for us. This is for only Kalalo.
This is for the local people, not.
Yeah. And you can see that there are so
And
many
now
salons.
we enter the Mindu Street.
Yep.
This is mostly known as the Indian street of Dar es Salaam.
Yep.
This is Mindu Street. Here you can see the saloon.
Yep. There are so
Hall of
many
Fates.
salons right here.
There are so many saloons right here in this street because there are many Indians staying here.
Yep.
So guys, you can see this is a Mindu Street.
Yep. And there are so many buildings right here. And exact that is a cafe shop. That is everything. This is Legit Factory. We can check anything from right here. We can check beds. And this is a building. People are staying right here. And this is cafe people. So you have to be a little bit of careful because they are still
This
in
is
the-
Lajit Chai, right now?
Yeah, this
This is
Legit
one of the
Factory.
famous chai here in Upanga.
This is Legit Factory.
And
You can check
this is
anything.
Lajit's bakery. You can see many Indians are here. There.
And this is the
See the
famous
market.
hotel.
This is famous hotel.
Yep.
This is what? Kashmiri Grill restaurant. So now we are in Mindu Street. And you can see the view of Mindu Street.
And guys, I will also show you a supermarket. It is 14-star supermarket, 24 hours. It is open forever.
It is open
Forever.
forever. Oh, just because it is 24 hours.
Yeah.
You can see this is a hotel here. I think.
Yeah.
If you are coming here, then you can stay in this hotel. See the local people. The local people, they are taking kava. Kava, that is the same like chai in India.
Yeah.
But they did not add milk, no?
Yeah.
They add little bit of milk, I think, in
Yeah.
kava.
And look, there is the 14-star.
And we are in the streets of Mindu Street, Upanga.
And that is
Here most of the people are in, the Indians and China also, no?
yep.
China also.
And this is the supermarket, 14-star. That is the famous of this Middle Street. But the everything is high.
So guys, here we are. This is 14 star.
And this is
Here you can get
forever.
juices and shawarma, chicken, whatever you want. These are the
Should we show you
buildings
from
and
inside?
stairs here. No, don't go inside.
Let's
Because
let me show you from inside.
no, we are just showing the street now. We will go inside later.
Yeah, because
This is 14 star supermarket. You can see this is a new tower. Here there is a school also.
Sunni Muslim Jamaat.
Sunni Muslim Jamaat school.
Yeah.
This is for only nursery and primary is also here or only
यहाँ पे बड़े लोग भी जाते हैं.
oh, okay.
Big girls are
This
also
is
going there.
Sunni Muslim Jamaat school. And here you can see there is one more salon, Fade Master. You here we are. What is the name of this building, Mara?
Huh? I don't know.
You don't know the name?
You know the name?
No, I don't know. Let's see. So guys, you can see most of the people, those who are staying here are Indians and China. Some locals are also staying, but the majority is Indians and China. See here, one Chinaman is going. So now we are at Richmond Tower. This is Richmond Tower. This is one of the famous tower in Upanga, not in only in Upanga. This is one of the famous tower in Dar es Salaam. Everyone knows about this Richmond Tower, and in this tower I think 70% of people are staying Indians. So here the population is.
And they are making chai right here.
Uh,
This is the chai.
This is where is the chai?
This is the chai.
Oh, see the condition of the road. The government is not working here on roads because they know we cannot get wood from here. See the condition of road.
You can see everything, yeah. And this is a coconut hotel. It is famous in this.
Coconut is also famous.
Yeah. So this is Elite Residency. Okay. So we are right here and Elite is. This is now Zahra. Look at Zahra.
You can see the condition of the roads.
Yeah, but see the tasveer.
How bad it is.
Yeah.
See, you can see a beautiful cat also.
Yeah. And we like our little cats.
We like
check the
little cat.
cats.
So now
So now we are near Zahra. And this is the also famous hotel of this.
this is same like Richmond Tower, na?
Yep.
But not that much famous.
Yeah.
But here Zahra is also a type of hotel also, but
But not.
many people are staying in Zahra. We are also staying in Zahra.
But not I'm staying. I'm not staying. But he's my brother.
Here you can see
Yeah, they're selling vegetables, fruits, everything. And this is 7-pack. We like 7-pack. So let's go in the 7-pack and see what is there for you.
So now we are going in Zahra. We have to go in Zahra now, right? Or can we show that the cube in our video?
Yeah,
Okay, let's go towards cube. Then we'll come back to Zahra.
okay, so let's
So guys, I'm going to show you
the queue.
the cube. This
This
is
is a famous hotel. Everybody they are celebrating right there. And one time my brother did with me joke that, hello guys, so this is the queue and this is the famous hotel of this industry. Everybody they are coming, they are celebrating this, and there's also playground for kids. Like, kids can do their.
there is also playground.
Yep, let's go and see.
Okay, guys. So we are
And
going to
there's
show the cube.
so many activities are right here.
Okay.
There's popcorn. Look, this is very good. Right there, big can play. Here there's cotton candy, popcorn.
So this is playing area, and
Yeah, but I want to play, but I cannot play. And that is the area for big boys.
what is this?
Yeah, they can play.
There is also playing area. Oh, you can play
Go to play.
pool here if you want to play pool, you guys can come here at the cube. You can enjoy Red Bull also. See, the Toto is playing. Toto means a little boy. In Swahili, we say Toto. So now here we are at the cube. Mahira is going to play pool. So we'll inshallah meet you again. Bye bye. Tata.